Hello, today we're going to be cooking sushi. We're going to start by cutting some octopus into small pieces. We're going to start frying the octopus until golden brown. Now that our octopus is golden brown, we're going to put it aside and let it cool off. Now we're going to start cutting up some shrimp. This is going to be some of our filling. The octopus we're going to use to put on top of the sushi once we're done cooking it. Put 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. After our shrimp, we're going to start cooking our octopus again. Now we're going to make a sauce. We're going to need soy sauce, mirin sauce, honey, and some rice vinegar. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of mirin sauce. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Continuously stir on low heat until it looks like this. Take our fried octopus and put it inside of our sauce. Now that our octopus is done, we're going to save it for later. We're going to put the octopus on top of the sushi at the end of the video. After stirring, we'll start peeling the skin off of a cucumber and cut it into small pieces. This is also going to be some of the filling for the inside of the sushi. Now we're going to cut out the seeds from the cucumber. Now we have some crab meat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're going to use this crab for the inside of the sushi later in the video. I'm going to put some wasabi on top of the crab. Now we're going to put some sriracha sauce on top. And now we mix it. After this, we're going to chop up some avocados to put inside of the sushi. Now we need a bamboo mat and a sheet of dried seaweed. After cutting the seaweed, place it on the bamboo mat. Next, you must wet your hands. Grab the rice and start spreading it out on the seaweed. I'm going to put some cut cucumber. Put the shrimp on top. After that, place some avocados on top. sushi. Now I'm going to make some sushi, but with some different fillings. Wow! We're going to put the cucumber and the avocados. Now we are going to put the crab and then some shrimp. After cutting it, we're going to put our octopus on top. That's it. That's how we make our sushi. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.